Are you tired of spending hours cleaning floors? What if you could sit back, relax, and let a smart robot do the dirty work for you? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuum and mop combos that are absolute game changers for keeping your home spotless, effortlessly. We've done the research, compared features, and picked the top models that offer the best performance, smart features, and value for your money. All the product links are in the description below, so if you see one you like, you can check it out and grab the best deals. Let's jump right into it. Top 5 best robot vacuum and mop. 5. Matrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum. Experience next-level home cleaning with incredible suction and sonic mopping. This ultra-powerful robotic vacuum not only deep cleans carpets and hard floors, but also empties its own dustbin and scrubs floors 100 times per minute. Thanks to Matrix Clean technology, it tackles dirt with precision by making multiple passes in a grid pattern, delivering 30% better carpet cleaning. Clean Edge Detect ensures no spot is missed, using blasts of air and smart edge recognition to deliver 50% better cleaning along walls and corners. Equipped with true HEPA filtration and an anti-allergen seal, it captures 99.97% of dust and allergens down to 0.3 microns. It holds up to 60 days of debris, empties itself without messy disposal bags, and recharges automatically with Recharge and Resume. For stubborn messes, activate Matrix Mop in the app for 50% better stain removal in targeted zones. Its self-cleaning brush roll lifts dirt, hair, and debris from every surface, engineered to resist hair wrap. With 360-degree LiDAR precision mapping, it navigates your home intelligently, day or night, adapting to your space and delivering a seamless, thorough clean. 4. Roomba Combo i5 Plus. The iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus is a powerful 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop designed to make cleaning effortless and efficient. Featuring a 4-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface rubber brushes, it easily adjusts to different floor types and resists tangling with pet hair. With self-emptying capability, it automatically empties its bin into a sealed bag that holds up to 60 days of debris, freeing you from daily maintenance. Smart mapping technology allows it to learn your home and clean specific rooms on command or schedule, while Dirt Detect technology ensures extra attention to messier areas. The i5 Plus transforms from a vacuum to a mop in seconds, using a microfiber mop pad and your choice of cleaning solution or water for a deep clean. Compatible with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, and controlled through the intuitive iRobot Home app, this device gives you complete control and smarter, hands-free cleaning. Q7 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Q7 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner is a powerful, smart cleaning solution designed to tackle even the toughest messes with ease. Boasting an impressive 4,200 PSI suction power, it effortlessly lifts debris, dust, and pet hair from carpets, floors, and crevices. It intelligently increases suction when carpet is detected, ensuring deep cleaning where it's needed most.